Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 8. Hope you will be fine, beta. Today we are going to start with chapter number is 11, and that is a great quiz show. What had happened in this chapter? Let me clear first of all that there was a person who was living and he was a pious person. One day a storm had come in the forest and he was living alone as in the forest. So in a small hut, first of all, a hunter came to take shelter. Then one by one some persons come and took shelter in his small hut, and they chatted about different sorts of things, and the pious person helped everyone and gave something to eat and something to take uh, as a beverage. And in this chapter the main thing is that help is a great virtue to others, okay, and in need time it's a greatest virtue. And in this chapter what had happened next, let's see and translate in this chapter. Let's start. Once there was a holy man who lived in a forest. एक बार एक मुत्तकी इंसान एक जंगल में रहता था. He lived there all alone in a small hut. वो एक छोटे से झोपड़े में तन्हा रहता था. He was very kind and noble man. वो बहुत मेहरबान और शरीफ आदमी था. He always liked to help others. वो उसे हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करना बहुत पसंद था. One night, एक रात, there came a terrible storm in the forest. जंगल में बहुत ख़तरनाक तूफान आ गया. Followed by heavy rain, जो अपने साथ बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश लाया. The holy man was busy in his work. मुत्तकी इंसान अपने रोज़मर्रा के काम में मसरूफ़ था. When he heard a knock at the door, जब उसने दरवाजे पर दस्तक सुनी. He opened the door. उसने दरवाज़ा खोला and there stood before him a gentleman. और उसके सामने एक शरीफ आदमी खड़ा था. Who spoke to him thus? Sir, I am a hunter. उसने कहा, जनाब मैं एक शिकारी हूँ. I came to the forest to hunt. मैं जंगल में शिकार को आया था. But लेकिन because of this storm and heavy rain, इस मूसलाधार बारिश और तूफ़ान की वजह से it is not possible for me, मेरे लिए मुमकिन नहीं to hunt, शिकार करना. मेरे लिए इस मूसलाधार बारिश और तूफ़ान में शिकार करना मुमकिन नहीं. I cannot go back either. और मैं वापस भी नहीं जा सकता. I am looking for shelter. मुझे पनाह की तलाश है. I shall be grateful if you could let me spend the night here. मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँगा अगर आज की रात आप मुझे यहाँ गुजारने दें. The pious old man, without any hesitation, asked him to step in. मुत्तकी इंसान ने बगैर किसी हिचकिचाहट के उसको अंदर आने का कहा. He gave him a towel to dry himself. और उसे एक तौलिया अपने आप को साफ करने के लिए दिया. He then gave him a cup of hot milk to drink. और उसके बाद एक कप गर्म दूध का पीने के लिए दिया. The hunter looked around. हंटर ने इधर उधर देखा. It was a small hut with a one small bed. ये एक बिस्तर के साथ छोटा सा झोंपड़ा था. Only one person could sleep on it. सिर्फ उस पर एक ही आदमी सो सकता था. Sir, this is very small hut. ये बहुत छोटा सा झोंपड़ा है and there is hardly room for two. और दो के लिए वह मुश्किल ही काफ़ी है. How are we going to spend the night here? हम आज रात यहाँ कैसे गुजारेंगे? The two of us, हम दोनों. Said the hunter. शिकारी ने कहा. The pious old man said. मुत्तकी इंसान ने कहा. You are very simple. आप बहुत सादा हैं. True, सच है. The hut is small, very small indeed. कि झोंपड़ा छोटा बल्कि बहुत छोटा है. बट इफ़ वन हैज़ द विल वन कैन मैनेज. लेकिन अगर कोई इंतज़ाम करना चाहे तो हो सकता है. Okay students, so this was a translation of half chapter. Inshallah we will meet tomorrow and do the next half translation of this. Okay, grade 8 we have some vocabulary from translation chapter number 11 and it will help you in translation. First word I have written for you, shelter, pana, allowed, ijazat di, हंटर शिकारी, स्टॉर्म तूफ़ान, टॉवल तौलिया, हॉट गरम, हेजिटेशन हिचकिचाहट, हैवी मूसलाधार या भारी. Okay, so in this translation we will use मूसलाधार. So from half chapter of 11 I have found out these words for you to understand translation better. Now you will repeat these words in translation 1 to 2 times at home, inshallah. you will be able to understand the translation. Okay, let's meet in the next lecture with the last half translation. Allah Hafiz.